Mascara is literally that one part of my makeup routine that I never forget to apply before leaving the house because I literally feel naked. So I need like those few coats of mascara to make my non-existent lashes existent. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and drum rolls please, the viral Panorama Mascara by L'Oreal Paris is finally launched in India, and how could we not test it out together? So here I am, finally got my hands on this dude. If you know me, you know it already. I love the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara, and that mascara has starred in so many of my videos. And is the Panorama Mascara equally good or even better? So let's actually test what's the hype about and is it actually worth it or not. So let's test it out together and let's quickly dive into testing. Now, coming to my lashes, they've got not much of volume. Truly, they are like true Asian lashes that grow downwards and are sparse. So not really many mascaras work on my kind of lashes because they are kind of droopy, and so the mascara just does not hold the volume or the curl for a long time. They just happen to droop back again. That is like a distinguisher where I know whether the mascara is working on my kind of lashes or not. So let's test it, whether it adds volume and length to my sparse lashes, makes my non-existent lashes existent, and whether it holds the curl or not. And I also want to test it whether it clumps on my lashes, because many mascaras have that wet formula which just clump up lashes, and I hate that feeling honestly. So if it clumps or flakes, this is not the mascara that I would appreciate. But let's see, together test out the new Panorama Mascara on all of these pointers and see whether it stands true to the test. Now, quickly talking about the packaging, you would receive the mascara in this outer black packaging like so, and the mascara stands right in here. Now the mascara tube in itself looks so damn pretty, so luxe. Like, I loved the golden tube packaging, and the name is embossed on the packaging like Panorama. I loved the packaging. Literally, packaging is 10 on 10 of this mascara. Okay, so when you open up the mascara, that is how the wand is. Now, very first thing I like is that this brush size is not very long, because you know, you cannot really have much of control when the wand is too long in length, and then you just lose control over the mascara is what I feel, and then it just goes everywhere and smears. The wand has got a multi-level bristle brush. Like, there are literally all sizes of the bristles on the brush, which is, I think, perfect because it's gonna coat every sparse lash you got with the mascara. So I'm really excited of how it feels right off the back, and the packaging looks very promising. But let's actually test it now. Those are my pretty lashes, non-existent. So let me just zoom you guys in so that you can see them. Okay, we are up close and personal, and those are my lashes. You can see they are downward growing, and just like that, if I'm seeing straight, you cannot really make out that Nidhi got lashes, but yes, I do, but they are like sparse. So yes, I've got like sparse lashes. They've got not much of volume. They are sparse and downward growing. I would be applying the mascara on the right side of my eye and leaving the left side so that we can check out for the differences. So let's go. Let's begin applying for coat number 1. Okay, wait, I can literally already see my lashes. Hold on, that is literally just one coat of the mascara, and you can already see my lashes. That's literally just one coat of the mascara, and even from behind, like even from this distance, you can see that I got lashes. Don't lie, you can see my lashes literally. Really shook. Wow, this looks insanely good. Let's apply a second coat and see. Those are my lashes with coat number 2. Look at them! So happy. Like, literally you can see every lash and they have not clumped, and that is the reason why I really liked it. Like, you can see the difference for yourself. This is insanely good. Let's do the other eye as well very quickly. Those are my lashes with the mascara on. They look so pretty. Oh my god, I am literally shook with the performance of the Panorama Mascara. Like, did I just discover my new favorite? And like 2 layers on, I did not see any clumping or flaking on my lashes. Like, literally no jokes here. This Panorama Mascara has outperformed all of the high-end mascaras and I am impressed. Like, look at my lashes, bro. They look so good, like insane. Like, I can definitely see a good length to my lashes. Plus, they're all separated and they've given that, you know, fluttery, fanned out effect to my lashes, which I love. Like, it is not at all clumping or flaking on my lashes. Plus, they do not look spider-like. They are very fluttery and you know, this is the kind of lash look I love. And honestly, it just added volume, length, as well as did not clump or flake on my lashes. Plus, the formula I feel is very good. It is not very wet kinda that it would just, you know, weigh your lashes down. You know, that kind of formula where it is too wet that it just weighs your lashes down. It is not very wet, neither it is like very dry to clump or flake on my lashes, if you understand what I'm trying to say. It is just there, like right in the middle, the perfect formula, neither too wet, neither too dry, and your lashes don't even feel crunchy like a snack. And that is a thing, again, which I appreciate. It is perfectly buildable and you can like add extra coats to your lashes if you want that extra oomph effect for your lashes. You can definitely layer this mascara. I am like impressed, like impressed. In short, believe the hype. The hype is real. You should try it for yourself and I'm sure you would love it too. The price of this mascara is 999 rupees. I would have the link mentioned in the description box below for you to check it out. And if you've already tried it, sound off in the comments down below your experience with the new Panorama Mascara, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.